Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to limit your table stakes and which games you can play on Pokerstars on computer using the responsible gaming tools. From there, what you want to do is basically open up the Pokerstars app on your computer and go down to Tools. And from here you can find the responsible gaming sort of tab, and that gives you a bunch of different options on how to set limits for yourself on Pokerstars. The first one I'm going to show you is restrict table limit. So what you want to do is you can go through here, read this entire page. Please select the currency you wish to use to set your table limit. I would go US dollars because that's what most of the site uses. And from there it gives you the option to put limits on no limit hold'em or pot limit games, fixed limit games. You can go in here. You can actually press into this sort of drop down menu, and if you do not want to play $1 to $2 on either no limit, pot limit or fixed limit, you can go in here, and from there you have to select this tick button. I choose to impose the following limits on real money cash game. I understand that I will not be able to play any cash games which is in excess of these limits. So essentially this means that you can play 1 cent, 2 cent, 2 cent, 5 cent, all the way up to 50 cent, $1, and then you cannot play anything above these stakes. And then you press submit. You have chosen to impose a table limit of $2 on your no limit to pot limit cash game. You will not be able to join any no limit or pot limit game in which the stakes exceed this value. You can press continue, and you have to type in your password. Submit. Fixed limit games, your new table limits have been approved. No limit / pot limit, your new table limits have been approved as well, and you can contact the support at pokerstars.uk if you have any questions. From there, that has limited which games you can actually play on Pokerstars. But if you want to do this for tournaments, you can go back into the tools to the responsible gaming section, restrict tournament buy-ins as well. Please select the currency, US dollars, tournament max buy-in, play all, or set a limit. Don't play if you wanted to set a limit and you didn't want to buy in for any tournaments above $10. You could put 10 in there, and you can do this for sit and goes as well. Select max of $10. You press I choose to impose these limits. From there, press submit, and once you press continue and type in your password, this is going to impose the $10 limits on your account for tournaments and sit and goes as well. Also, one final thing, you can go in here and do it for casino games or session reminders, deposit limits. There's so many different options within this tool on Pokerstars to help promote responsible gambling, responsible gaming. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.